Well, you received your new Capital One credit card. Well, let's get it activated so you can start using it right away. First, ensure you have your new card handy. You'll need a 3-digit security code located on the back. Option 1 will be using the Capital One mobile app. Open the Capital One mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Or sign in with your Capital One username and password. If you don't have an online account, you'll need to create one. And once logged in, tap on Profile, then Account and Feature Settings, and select Activate a Credit Card. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. And option 2 would be using the Capital One website. Visit the official Capital One activation page, sign in with your username and password. If you don't have an online account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, follow the prompts to activate your card, which will include entering the 3-digit security code on the back. Well, option 3 will be by phone. Well, call the number provided on the adhesive strip attached to your new card. Follow the automated instructions to activate your card. Once you have it activated, you're ready to use your Capital One credit card for purchases and managing your account online. Well, that's it. You're all set to start using your Capital One credit card. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on setting up your Capital One account or using your card with mobile wallets. I'll see you in the next video. Until then.